Leaders of the Dorbar's Aim, Lingdo Basan, Khat Arad, Sauk Singh and Sao Lama Sarikrai of Hima Khyrim have expressed strong opposition to the Khyrim Act. Speaking to the media, Enel Waplang, Basan of the Rat Namsha and spokesperson for the group outlined three key provisions they oppose: the removal of the Rat from Ribhoi, the stripping of authority over land matters, and the removal of certain clans from holding Basan titles. The group have submitted a petition to the District Council for revision and announced a withdrawal of cooperation with the Aim of Khyrim. As part of their protest, they have resolved to withhold their annual tribute and financial contributions, urging village elders to join in the boycott. They will not engage in discussions with this Aim until the disputed provisions are revoked.
Kinigilai teli kendon gawai bala pendu ia da keteng rat syari boy ia kinigi kadar rat hajakarai latho kinlong nak tam kisnat rat kabar la pendu ia kabotrekan joki kumojulong ban pej ia kikende bisiap ban air register ban air dulir lane ban lek penbei ia kerja kerja maja jaka jom tu gerak